Choose a slot to use for this game. Getting Polly to say silly sentences is fun. Why not try the talking parrot game? Talking parrot. Peppa and George love to play with Polly Parrot. Win a sticker for every 10 silly sentences that Polly says. Press the squares to make a silly sentence and then touch the tick box. Polly Parrot will repeat everything that she hears. Peppa Pig is a red banana.
Peppa Pig is a red banana.
Try another one. Danny Dog is a happy car.
Danny Dog is a happy car.
Try another one. Daddy Pig is a silly pumpkin.
Daddy Pig is a silly pumpkin.
Try another one. Peppa Pig is a funny yo-yo.
Peppa Pig is a funny yo-yo.
Try another one. Are you sure? There are lots of fun games to play here. Feed Polly. Peppa and George love to feed Polly Parrot. Win a sticker for every 20 correct crackers you feed Polly.
Polly wants 2 yellow crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants 4 yellow crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants 3 red crackers.
Keep going, you've almost won a sticker.
Polly wants more. Polly wants 5 yellow crackers.
Well done, you've won a sticker.
Polly wants more.
Are you sure? Are you sure? There are lots of fun games to play here. Where's Polly? Oh dear, where's Polly? Help Peppa and George find Polly Parrot. Win a sticker for every 10 times you find Polly. Move through the house and garden to find Polly. Touch all the objects to find where she is hiding. Try the garden. You've found her. Where has Polly gone this time? Try again. Is she hiding in the bedroom? Try the bedroom. Where could she be? Is she hiding in the bedroom? You found Polly. Where has well done? Have another go. There are lots of fun games to play here. Matching pairs. Peppa and George love to play matching pairs. Match all the pairs to win a sticker. Touch the cards to make a pair. Pedro Pony, Zoe Zebra. Pedro Pony. That's it! George, that's excellent. Zoe Zebra. Great! Well done, you've won a sticker. Well done. You matched all the pairs. There are lots of fun games to play here. Dot to dot. Peppa and George love to play dot to dot. You can win a sticker for every picture you complete. Touch the flashing stars with your finger to complete the picture. Well done! You've won a sticker. Are you sure? You can win a sticker for every picture you complete. Touch the flashing star and draw a line to the next one. Well done! You've won a sticker. Are you sure? You can win a sticker for every picture you complete. There are stickers. Make a lovely picture with the stickers you've won. What a smashing picture! Are you sure? There are lots of fun games to play here.
Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig.